Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer events from Segment into BigQuery step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Segment account. Navigate to the settings of the source you wish to configure. Locate the destination settings within this source. Click on the Add Destination button. Search for BigQuery in the destination marketplace. Select BigQuery from the list of available destinations. Fill in the required fields, including the project ID. Input the dataset ID where you want the events to be stored. Choose the table type as either events or users based on your needs. Configure the table name according to your preferences. Ensure that your Google Cloud credentials are set up correctly. This typically involves downloading a JSON key file from your Google Cloud Service account. Upload the JSON key file to Segment. Review the destination settings to ensure all information is correct. Save the configuration by clicking the Save button. Now, navigate to the testing or debug mode in Segment. Send a test event to verify that the integration is functioning properly. Monitor your BigQuery console to confirm that the event appears in the selected dataset in table. Once you see the event in BigQuery, your setup is complete. You can now start analyzing the data transferred from Segment into BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.